4540 plus engraver assembly. Accessory display. Step 1. Installation of XZ-axis gantry. Note: before installing the XZ-axis gantry, the support box can be used to place near the holes on the left and right sides. It is easy to install the XZ-axis gantry support. Attach the XZ-axis gantry to the bottom member. Then adjust the holes to align the. Finally, tighten the M6 of 14 screws with a 5mm Allen wrench. Just repeat the above. Step 2. Installation of spindle motor. First, put the M5 washer through the M5 of 14 screw. Then use a 4mm Allen wrench to secure the spindle motor. Assembly to the Z-axis assembly with M5 of 14 screws. Just repeat the above. You can loosen the nut on the spindle motor with a 13mm and 17mm open end wrench. Finally, tighten the nut with a 13mm and 17mm wrench. Step 3. Installation of Y-axis drag chain groove fixing plate. Use a 2.5mm screwdriver to put the M3/8 screws with the front side, center and rear side drag chain groove fixing. Plates fixed to the side panels. Step 4. Install the X-axis drag chain. First, use a 2.5mm screwdriver to fix the drag chain. Slot fixing plate to the gantry with M3/8 screws. Fix the X-axis drag chain with M4 16 screws and M4 6 screws using a 3mm Allen wrench. Step 5. Install the Y-axis drag chain. Fix the X-axis drag chain with M4 16 screws and M4 6 screws using a 3mm Allen wrench. Step 6. Wiring. First, connect the spindle motor cable. Pay attention to the direction of the interface. Then connect the X-axis stepper motor cable. The white connector corresponds to the white slot on the control board. Next, connect the Z-axis stepper motor. The yellow connector corresponds to the yellow slot on the control board. Then connect the Z-axis limit switch. Then connect the Y-axis limit switch. Then connect the X-axis limit switch. Connect the laser cable. You can also use the laser head and then connect this cable. Connect the Y-axis stepper motor cable. Connect X1 axis stepper motor. Connect X plus limit switch wire. Connect an X limit switch line. Connect Z plus limit switch wire. Connect the Z limit switch wire. Finally, connect the spindle motor cable. Plug the spindle cable into the connection terminal. Red to red, black to black. Note: in order to connect the limit switch of the Y-axis, the limit switch board here needs to be removed. Connect the wires and then tighten the screws. Step 7. Install wire clips. Remove the double-sided tape on the back of the wire clip by hand. And finally stick the wire clip to the aluminum plate. Remove the double-sided tape on the back of the wire clip by hand and stick the clip to the aluminum plate. Finally, hook the limit switch wires into the wire fasteners. Step 8. Install wire fasteners. First, put the washer through the M46 screw. Then use M46 screws through the wire fasteners. Finally, just tighten the M46 screws with a 3mm Allen key.